Wing! Bah! Hi everyone! What shall we draw today? Let's draw sweet bedroom! Wow! Wow! Do you like it? Let's draw! Wing! Bah! What is this? Oh, it's bed! It looks so cozy! Small drawer and lamp. It's so lovely! Yeah! It's closet. Oh! Adorable curtain. That's a picture frame. It's so beautiful. Wow! Oh! It's so lovely. Wow! Oh! Wow! It's so beautiful. It's so lovely. Wow! Yeah, we did it! We drew sweet